Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the channel, a Make Money Audit on YouTube and the MakeMoneyAudit.com, where we audit these online YouTube gurus. Today, we're doing an audit on Mr. Shane Hummus. I'm sure I've messed up his name. One Claude prompt made me six-figure a month. Here's what he says. Let's listen to it here for a minute.
AI prompt made me six figures a month, and it's the same prompt that turned both ends of my money machine on this channel. It wrote the scripts that took my main channel past $477,000 just in AdSense alone last year, and it's the prompt that I use to make almost every AI tool that I use on my channel. And not just my channel, I even used it to build the Facebook ad system that retargets every viewer who clicks on one of my links. And by the way, this is coming from someone who runs a YouTube channel with over 1.5 million subscribers. I've personally made over $10 million from YouTube alone, and I've worked with clients who've collectively.
All right. So we know he's got 1.5 million subscribers. No kidding. So let's go ahead and take a look at this, the audit, when it came back. So here's what happened. Here's my take on it right now. Let's go here. Okay. He says one cloud prompt took his brother from 0 to 70,000 in a year income. That's later on in the video. You'll see it. Yeah, the 70,000 to a 70,000 a year income in 29 days. Here's what he leaves out. Okay. That came from one video that got 800,000 views. So the video went viral. Prompt didn't do that. The viral hit did. Every beginner who ran the same prompt got 800 views instead of 800,000 isn't a valid video. Okay. And the whole thing that he's basically pointing at a few free workshops, then you call to sell you coaching. You know, I get it. We all do this to try and make extra money. This guy probably makes pretty good money with 1.57 million views or subscribers. There's going to be a sucker born every day. So let's take a look at what this thing got on the grade. And it got a D. Wonder why it got a D. Let's take a look. So AI powered YouTube channel growth. Okay, the video claims master prompt for Claude can generate personalized YouTube scripts, titles, and even Facebook ads quickly. Sure, it can. That's the easy part. Enabling a complete beginner to achieve full income in less than a month from YouTube AdSense. Let's see. You got to have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Think you can get that in a month? Probably not. Okay. This is exemplified by the creator's brother, who allegedly went from 0 to 70,000 plus per year run at a rate of 29 days after his video went viral with 800 views. Yeah. You think 800,000 people are watching you, you're going to have some business coming your way. Okay. Significant red flag. Most won't recoup their investment. Nope. D, and this one's a risky one. Okay, so time to ROI for a true from scratch beginner achieving full-time income on YouTube AdSense typically takes 1 to 3 years of constant high quality content creation. I mean, I've heard 6 months, I've heard 18 months. Now this one's telling me 3 years. It's going to take time. You're not going to make money right out of the gate on YouTube AdSense. Forget it. It's not going to happen. The initial setup master prompts take hours. Yep. By seeing meaningful AdSense revenue without an existing audience is a long and unpredictable grind. Yeah. Good luck. If you don't have 1.5 million followers, you're not going to get shit for a while. Market saturation. Yeah, it's high. AI niche YouTube oversaturated with low quality generic content. And don't forget, YouTube's cracking down on the AI videos. Standing out requires significant human input, unique angles, and a strong personal branding with AI. Only AI facilitates, not creates. Yeah. Exactly. Demonetizing or banning AI slot channels. Yeah. So if you think you're going to create a YouTube channel that's going to crank out, hundreds of videos a week, you're going to get banned. It's going to shut you off. YouTube doesn't deal that crap no more. Okay. Real economic analysis. Okay. Yeah. Claude AI free tier it's it's free, but you only get so much usage in a day. So if you think you're going to get the big whole prompt that he gives you in this thing that's going to work, it's not. So then you got to pay for it. So that's $20, and that's limited. Then you go pro is 100. So you're going to spend money. Primary costs, there's going to be time investment in learning AI, refining prompts, and providing you the core YAP content. AdSense revenue for beginners is typically negligible for many in months. Yeah. The 70K a year run rate example based on 800 view viral video. He doesn't put that out in the video. Yeah, the video went viral, but that's what's making the money. It's not the prompt. Uh, Risk factor, yep. High time commitment, initial setup, ongoing yapping sessions, the significant risk to AI generate content. Sounding generic or being demonetized by YouTube is heavily edited and personalized. Yeah, I use AI in my YouTube videos, but I'm in here talking, not somebody I'm not using 11 Lab or something like that to create my video. Success is highly dependent on content quality, niche, sexual selection, and luck, more along luck. I mean, look at I've been doing, or was doing AR business, AR finance, consulting for over 35 years. If anybody can make a YouTube channel about what I know how to do in the AR world, that would be me. But it's a dead market. There's nobody looking on YouTube. How do I not pay the collector? Things like that. It's just ridiculous. Unless you have that one niche. The guy, his brother's a plumber or something, or electrician or something. Okay. There's bazillion, electricians and plumbers that are out there. So he did something that they're probably not doing. So, you know, my opinion, okay, experienced content creators, marketers, yeah, we already know that. Honestly, I wouldn't do this at all. I mean, if you're going to make YouTube videos, fine, do it for fun. But if you're going to do it to where you think you're going to make money or you're going to sell digital products, understand this is a grind. It does not happen right away, people. That's why this video got a D. The whole realistic time frame is what kills it. It's unobtainable. You can't get it in that time frame. Otherwise, this could be a good idea, but what he's prompting in here or telling everybody time wise, just not a good idea to expect that. So how you use the channel, makemoneyaudit.com. You put the URL prompt from the YouTube video. You put the description, confirm it's the right video you want to do the audit on. And then you hit the run and it runs the video. Now, I've said it before and said it many times. If you run another audit, this is gone. It doesn't come back. That's the audit you run for that. It's not going to let you rerun another one for a while on that video. You download it, share it, and then the YouTube. The newsletter is coming. It's just I've been saturated, pretty busy with other stuff going on, but that'll eventually be getting out there. So again, the concept of using YouTube or Claude to help you with your YouTube channel is a good idea. I use it. The expectation in this video about when it's going to bring you money is clearly BS. Don't expect it to be that way unless you capture the golden unicorn running through the woods or Bigfoot. It ain't going to happen. Anyways, like and subscribe. Looking forward to the next preparing the next video for you guys. Have a good day. If you have any questions, hit me in the comments, and then don't forget go to makemoneyaudit.com to run your own audits. Have a good day.